All right, good morning, guys. This is what you are going to be working on today. So when you log into your course, no matter if you're 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th, everyone is doing the same thing. So when you log in today, you want to go to your modules, which is where you will find your work every single day. So once you click on modules, it will pull up all of the content for the course. So today I am going to have you to go to the course outline, and I will label this for you. So go to the course outline, and I have placed in here action items for you to do. So today you are going to work on the assigned items that I have listed in your prospective course. So for 5th grade, you are going to go down to the first standard, and you're going to complete the first item that is aligned with that standard. So if you look here, this is actually hyperlinked. So I want you to click on it. It's going to open up another window, and it's going to take you to IXL. And you're going to work on these problems. And you have to complete a minimum of 10 problems. All right, so once you're all done, if you take a look over here on the right hand side, you are going to take a screenshot of this, of your score. It's going to show your elapsed time, and it's going to show how many questions you have answered. So I need you to make sure that you take a picture or screenshot of the screen, and once you're done, you are going to upload that screenshot to this particular assignment name in your course. If you have any questions, let me know. So this is going to be synonymous for all grade levels. So everyone is working on IXL today on the particular standards that I have placed in your course. You are going to see the assignments show up, and I will go back to your course. So you will see the assignments show up, or the items you're supposed to complete. They're going to be on the home page. This is my demo account, and it's going to be underneath your to-do list, and it's going to have today's date. So you want to make sure you go there and then upload your screenshot, and your screenshot has to show the standard at the top. So you want to take a big screenshot. So the standard at the top. If you still have any questions, it's going to show that question here, and it also has to show this little ribbon here with the questions, number of questions answered, your time elapsed, as well as your SMART score out of 100. And then that will be your actual score for this activity. So make sure that you take your time, you don't rush, and you give your absolute best effort. And I will see you guys a little later.